Hi guys, Varun here from Phone Arena, and yeah, at CES 2018, actually checking out this cool new product from Lenovo, which is actually a Google Assistant with a display on it. So you might have seen something like this as a standalone speaker giving voice commands. But the beauty of this device, which has been made in partnership with Google and Lenovo, is that it actually doubles up both an audio speaker and Google Home Mini plus a screen, because you can actually interact with your Google account, say your Google Photos, your Google Calendar, and your directions, and even your search history in a certain way is used to give you a personalized experience. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at it. So this basically is set to compete with the Amazon Echo Show. As you can see, it looks a familiar form factor, but this I think takes the functionality a lot more higher because it's a Google ecosystem, and most of us have all our data on Google. So let's actually see a few things we can do with the Lenovo Smart Display. So let's try. Hey Google, what's the weather like?
Currently in Las Vegas, it's 63 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly sunny with a forecasted high of 63 and a low of 45.
So yeah, so this is basically a screen here. It's a touch screen. So as you can see, this is a like kind of a Google is pushing something called routines for most Android devices later this year. So you can actually get this even on your Android phones, this kind of screen. But as you can see, this is something like a reminder and some kind of a timer going on there, and you can see something about some tourist activities. Show me museums in Las Vegas. So let's actually click that, and so you can actually, these are some, I think it's tempting you to, or giving you ideas to ask questions. So let's actually ask some questions. This is an interesting question. Hey Google, how tall is the Mount Everest?
Mount Everest is 29,029 feet tall.
So so these are things. So there's some facts which you can see on the screen, very neatly done in terms of the, you can actually some interesting insights you can see here. So let's actually do something else as well. So hey Google, good morning.
Hey, Rachel.
So as you can see, it's a pretty nice setup. So actually the lights come up,
3:19 p.m.
and it shows the
Currently in Las Vegas,
time
it's
and the
63
weather as
and
well.
mostly sunny.
So it's pretty
Today,
cool.
It'll be mostly sunny with a forecasted high of 63 and a low of 45.
So it's like a pretty,
The best way to
yeah.
get to work by car is via I-15 North and will take about 16 minutes in heavy traffic. Today at 6 p.m. you have teacher-parent conference. After that, today at 8 p.m. you have catch up with Jane. Have a great day.
So just with one good morning command,
News.
it's also bringing up the news. Hey Google, stop. So basically with one good morning command, Google got you, like the command got you so much information coming up to your screen, right from how much time it's going to take you to get to work, and what's on your calendar for today. Some stuff you usually do manually on your phone, looking up your calendar, looking up the directions on your maps, multiple things you would do. It does it pretty much for you. It even brought up Google TV for the, or YouTube for the news which was going on, something about landslides and all that stuff, and you can actually stop that. And I'm going to be asking something about my photos from my Egypt trip, which is a demo set up here. Hey Google, show me my photos from Egypt.
Showing your photos of Egypt.
So it's pretty cool. You're getting the photos from your Google account over here. So you can actually go through them, and it's a pretty nice way of looking at your photos if you want to look up something pretty easily with the command. And it's a nice large screen as well on this smart display. So yeah, so that's a quick demo of the smart display from Lenovo, which is running on the Google Things platform. And this is at CES 2018. Do it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this kind of device, and we'll try to answer in the comments. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.